Who are we? Are we humans? We call ourselves as human beings. The scientists say that we are Homo sapiens. The dictionary meaning for humans, Homo sapiens, the only living members of the genus Homo, are mammals of the primate order, originally from Africa, where they reached anatomical modernity about 200,000 years ago and began to exhibit full behavioral modernity around 50,000 years ago. Humans are gregarious social animals. The first Homo sapiens to move out of Africa was Homo erectus. Homo sapiens proceeded to colonize the continents, arriving in Eurasia 125,000 to 60,000 years ago. Slowly they occupied the entire world. By 2012, the human population is estimated to be between 6.97 and 7 billion. So humans are characterized by having a large brain relatively to the body size, making them capable of abstract reasoning, language, culture, and all other things. And so we are separate and different from other beings. Actually, what is a being? The meaning for being. The form being can be a noun, as in human being or alien being. Its root verb is to be. Being means existence as opposed to non-existence, a state of existence, that which exists in any form, whether it be material or spiritual, actual or ideal. Living existence as distinguished from a thing without life as a human being. What is humane? Let us see the actual meaning for humane also. Humane is an adjective. It's characterized by kindness, mercy, or compassion. It is marked by an emphasis on humanistic values and concerns. Since this being, is having the quality of humane, the tendency to be a humane, we call this being as humane being. But in actuality, we all are human beings. The physical appearance of the human beings, by simply looking at the human being, a scientist or a biologist or anyone can say that we are all human beings. But internal structure, the psychology of the human is totally different from each other. Though for centuries we have developed our minds, though we have culturally, ethically developed, we still have the remnants of animal characters. This humane character is capable of challenging, questioning, judging even the phenomena of nature itself. It can say very well that the process of nature is wrong. are right. For example, when a human being sees an animal wholly eaten by another animal, the consciousness, inner consciousness, the kindness, mercy, or compassion towards the fellow living beings tells us that it is wrong. That process, phenomena, the creation itself is wrong. It is capable of challenging and judging the nature itself. This quality in the human being or humans is very unique. It is not normally found in other animals. Since we are capable of having this particular character, this particular being is called as human being. But in humans, there are three types of humans. One is, they look like human beings, but they are not humans. They are animals. Majority of their character resembles animals. They still have the remnants of animal characteristics. So they are humans. They are animals in the shape of humans. Mr. Devanesan of Trichy St. Joseph's College, Tamil Nadu, India, used to say that we are all human becomings. The second category is human beings when they have the quality of humane inside them, then they are called human beings. This is second category. Human in the shape of humans. So both internal, physical and external, physical and internal quality, humane quality, are the same. So the human looking in the shape of humans, they are called human beings. The first category is human becoming. They are not human beings. They are in that process of becoming humane. They still didn't attain the stage of humane. Humanity is not inside them. Majority of the character is animal character. So they look like human, but they still are animals. So they are human becomings. The third category is, they look like human, but they are not human. They have the heavenly characters. Godliness is inside them. The world has witnessed people like that. For example, Buddha was looking like a human. Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, they were all looking like human beings, but they were not human beings. They had some other higher order, some other higher consciousness. So that consciousness we can say as godliness. So they look like humans, but they have the tendencies, characters of the Creator, the creation itself. So their consciousness is higher than the normal one. So there are three types of people. One is human in the shape of humans. Another one is animals in the shape of humans. and godliness in the shape of humans. So when we move with people, we have to look and identify which quality we move with. And we have to develop ourselves to attain humane in us, to become a full human being. Thank you.